6, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the charts. Made some pretty bold claims about Bitcoin being kind of over for now, and I just want to kind of reiterate what I mean. You guys can find me on X. Just going to write this down right here just for anybody that's watching. Now, let's go ahead and get into the charts. It's February 10th. We haven't had a daily close yet, but it doesn't matter. We've already had the weekly. So, my previous video, if you guys watched it, claimed that we had already broken the bottom side of the range, which we broke back in November. And I gave a couple examples of how those are usually like the main runs. And then once we break it below, then it's kind of over from there. So, let me just give a couple of examples. Where is, all right, highlighter. So we have this side right here. We have this area right here. And then we have this area right here. And then we have this area right here currently where we're at. So this is just going to be a quick video, just kind of like outlining like what I think is going to happen. Now, when you get these types of like let's say prints on the chart, these are pretty good setups, but these are only good setups for the ones who are kind of like patient, and they understand like the mechanics and the dynamics of like kind of setting things up to trap people in. And then, when you're looking at things like this, you're not really paying attention to social media or any of the news kind of stuff. You just kind of expect some bad news to come out eventually just to kind of support this. So my main two areas of interest are going to be between these two blue box areas. So I'd be shorting anything in this area, and then I'd be probably buying anywhere in this area because it's going to be really easy to kind of mitigate risk. So let me kind of just maybe draw out like a thing that I'm thinking it's going to probably happen. So for now, I think maybe in a day or two, you guys are going to see something where we just kind of come down into this area, and then after that we slowly, maybe do something like this. Actually, you know what, let me redraw that because this is a weekly, so I don't want you guys paying attention to the dates and thinking that. But I think something like this happens, and then something like this happens, and then something like this happens, and then we break it. So I'm looking at something like this in a sense, where the top gets put in maybe like beginning of next month or something, like the actual top where we break it down. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at. I think there's going to be opportunity somewhere in this little blue zone right here, and I think there'll be opportunity somewhere in this blue zone on the top up there. That's basically it. Um, I think the weekly has topped. I don't think there's going to be anything else to look forward to for a little bit. I think volatility right here is really contracting down to its lowest possible point. We're at a point zero. I'm sorry, we're at 0.40. So this is pretty low. It's below 1%. That means that a big expansion move is going to come. And usually in these big expansion moves, you see a test of both sides of the range first. So this is some pretty important stuff I'm telling you guys right now. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna probably see both sides of the range. Let me try to get like some sort of proper. I don't know. Is this gonna work right here? We come down, we go up, test this area somewhere, and then after that we just break it, and then that's it. Something like that. Let me remove that. And yeah, this is what I think is probably gonna happen sometime around like next week or towards the end of this week. We'll probably retest this area and then bounce up and then get everybody bullish. Once we come down to this area, we'll probably get everybody bearish. We'll rip them, and then we'll probably rip the bulls once we get up here because You'll have a lot of people be like, oh, well, seasonality, this is bullish and blah, 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 and all of this other stuff. But none of that shit's going to matter. Who knows? We might even get some extremely good news. That's going to be a big warning sign. Big, big, big warning sign is if um, so yeah, we're gonna you're gonna see like some really good news come up around this area. That's gonna be your big red flag, and then from there uh we'll be shorting it. That's all. That's all I gotta tell you. We are going to short the shit out of Bitcoin, and nothing else matters. Um, so yeah, this that's it right there. I just want to make this look nice, and um, that's it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, you guys can find me at on X at xbt.com, xbt 786, um, and I'll be throwing up some more analysis pretty soon. These videos are kind of not that cracking as far as quality goes, but I think the information is what's more valuable here. So for the ones who are actually serious, they'll take this more more seriously, and they'll actually profit from this. And that's really it. I don't have really nothing else to tell you guys other than my conviction still stands, and I believe that we're going to be we're bearish now. Like the main thing is sell the rips and not really buy the dips, but kind of have it in your head that the dips that you buy, you're gonna let go of them pretty quickly. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. It's gonna be a really short video. I believe that possibly, if anything, we're gonna come down, retest this kind of local lows, I guess you can call it, that 89 to 91 area. Somewhere in there, we're probably going to try to bounce. And if we do bounce, that bounce is probably going to come up to somewhere around maybe 103 to 105, something like that. So there's a margin of error of maybe like 1,000. And at these rates, that doesn't really matter. It's pretty much the same thing. And like I said, I have no reason to really think otherwise. I mean, we got white candles popping up. That's a big warning sign for me using this Sigma trading system that I use here. And I don't really have anything else to really think that's bullish. When we started getting these green candles, that was the time to really go hard as far as buying or longing goes. And whoever did that did very well and probably closed out their positions yesterday. So you have to look at it from that type of point of view. Now, if you have this system, it's a little pricey right now. It's $250 a month, but I mean, we're talking about $30,000-$40,000 of price action. It's really not even a drop in the pond. So once again, it's only for the guys that are serious about this and they want to trade some other stuff. They can use this. But yeah, this is what I think, and don't let anybody else tell you otherwise unless they have a proper reasoning as to why, and they can show you their work. And this is what I'm doing. So thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing updates pretty regularly, especially in times like these when it matters. And follow me on X at XBT786. And then we will look forward to seeing you guys later. Take care. Have a great rest of the week.